We're going to the next door to our neighbor, Kale and Lila. Bringing fish and rice, Kale's favorite. They are just next door. Beautiful weather. That's ha ha. Now we're here. Nice weather, ate.
Welcome. Enter. Oh, thank you. I like your matching.
We're matching white.
That's cute.
Because it's summer, it's too hot. Now we're here. Oh, look at that.
Oo, nakikita pa nila yung ano nila. Yung...
Island? Island is all there?
Si Kaz sa
Kaz did it.
Wow, look at that, their place.
So wala na doon? Wala na, basically.
Wala. How's the babies?
Good. They're
How's the
good.
babies? Oh, may center table na. Hi, hi, see hi, baby.
Julia Browns.
30 years here. 30 years here. Hi, 30 years. Hi, 30 years. Hi.
Ma, malamig yung buga.
Because of the cooler, they have cooler.
Anong pula?
This
Ngayon
one?
lang ano yan?
Oh, because it's window open.
Hindi, sa atin.
Hi.
Binapang
Hi, Sanji.
You wanna
Hi.
see outside?
Hi. You miss Papa? Lolo Papa? Ah, where's Kim Peaceful? Hi. Hi.
Kimchi. Kimchi.
Look at that peaceful.
Kimchi.
Look at the baby peaceful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this.
Kimchi.
So cute. Did you? Did you?
Gusto
This is the other one.
Gusto
The
lumabas.
other one here. The other one is here. Pick up. Hi. Hi. Hi.
I don't know what that mysterious word.
Want to be kissed all the time.